cat. I'm blending it out, and for that I'm using this blush. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so sorry for being so much MIA, but now I'm back. So I have done lastly a contour and highlight video before doing foundation, and it was a hack video which was really great. So today I thought, why not continue this series? So I am back with the episode 2, and in this episode I am going to do a viral blush hack where you apply a liquid lipstick or a bullet lipstick on your cheeks and on your forehead, and whenever you want some pink blush, then you apply contour and highlight, and afterwards you apply foundation and then set it. And without further ado, let's get to the video.
Audio Jungle.
So before doing the makeup, I have already prepped my face and primed. So for prepping, I use this Nivea soft for moisturizing my face. And for my lips, I have used this Vaseline. This is my OG. I love Vaseline Petroleum Jelly for my lips. And for the primer, I have used this Benefit Porefessional Primer. So without blabbering more, I'm just going to dive into the video. So first of all, for the lipstick, I don't have like a liquid lipstick which is really pink, and I didn't want to use a red lipstick, so I'm going with this Lakme 925 lipstick, and it is in the shade Ruby Rush. This is like this. It's really pink. I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks like that. Okay, this is way too much. And like this on my nose and on my forehead, on my chin. Yeah, so this is what I'm using. This brush, I'm just kind of making a bridge. I don't know, I didn't want to apply it on forehead, but just for the sake of challenge or hack, I applied it. So this is how I look. And after this, you want to apply contour and highlight. So for contour, I'm taking this Maybelline Ka Fit Me concealer in the shade 50 Cafe. I'm just applying my forehead, on here and here, and on my nose. I don't know if you're supposed to apply it on your nose. I'm applying it. For blending the contour, you know what, I'm just going to apply the concealer too. And for concealer, I'm using my favorite concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. Now I'm just going to apply lightly. For blending the contour, I'm using this slanting brush. It got blended easily. Is it supposed to mix? I feel like I'm doing the challenges in which I'm applying the foundation last and doing everything before the foundation. Like in my last challenge, I did the contour and highlighting before the foundation. Again, I'm doing the blush, contour and highlighting before the foundation. My contouring is blended and the blush is slightly looking brown. So after that, for my concealer, blending this flat brush and blending the concealer. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to blend the nose contour. I'm taking the same brush. I have brown patches and pink patches on all over my face. So I'm just going to apply the foundation and see that how actually this hack works. I'm using this mixture of this two. This is the MAC Studio Fix and this is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Golden Beige, and it is NC30. And with this PAC 265 foundation brush, I'm just going to blend it on my face, apply it on my face, I guess. I can see I can slightly see the effect of blush, like very slightly, a natural blush or flush of color. Like I have blush, yeah, you can say that I have applied blush, but it's not that much prominent. So this is the half face done with the foundation and this is without the foundation. I have applied, although I have applied on forehead, but you can see the cheeks. It's slightly like more of a natural kind of finish, and it's raw. So I'm just going to apply the foundation here. This is the after foundation face. Like, I like the effect and I'm not saying that it is a bad idea to do it, but I want to check it. Like, I want to keep it and check that if my face turns red or anything like that, because right now it's good. I like this effect. It's like natural highlight, contour and blush thing, but the blush is more visible than the highlight and contour. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but I can see the slightest blush coming through the foundation. So yeah, it is kind of a natural blush finish and I like it. This is the full face, like the base after setting the foundation, and this is how my blush kind of looks. It's just fades off because I don't know, I have applied the foundation because it was full coverage, or I have applied the setting powder and it had coverage, like it's not that translucent, it had coverage, so I don't know, but it's kind of slightly natural blush still, so I like it. But let's see how it looks after I do my eyebrows and eye makeup and lips. Abhi gayi aur abhi hai. Ta-da! So I'm back. I have done my like eye makeup, eyebrows and lipstick and lashes and everything, and I'm just loving my lipstick. I never apply lip glosses. This is my first time I'm applying this lip gloss, and the sad thing is I don't even know that which lip gloss is this. I'm just going to show it. It is this. This is some random, I guess. I don't know. It is in the shade pink. So yeah, it is pink, and the combination I did was this, like a Nykaa Mona Lisa, and then I topped it up with this random lip gloss. I love this lip gloss combination. This is so good. So about the blush hack, I didn't find anything unusual right now. Like, my face is not looking red or extra pink. That may be because I used two mixtures of the foundation and they were full coverage, so, or else I used less lipstick. I don't know, but I love this hack. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys like it, and do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and also follow me on Instagram. It is Shraddha MUA. You can check that out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.